Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about one of the luxurious planet on this solar system, Venus. Venus transit our sign from Scorpio to Sagittarius on 4th of January 2021 to 28th of Jan 2021. This is the first transit of 2021 when Venus entered in Sagittarius sign, which is ruled by Jupiter. Sagittarius sign, which is ruled by Jupiter, and Venus and Jupiter, they don't have any friendly relationship. They are totally enemy from each other. So Venus is not comfortable in Sagittarius sign. So you know very well, my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign. Let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants, Venus transit in your 9th house in Sagittarius sign from 4th January 2021 to 28th of Jan 2021. 9th house is a very well place. It's a Trikona Bhav. Venus is comfortable in 9th house but not comfortable in Sagittarius sign. So first of all, Aries, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse. Don't try to create any problem in your relationship between you and your wife. Give some respect, you will automatically get respect. Venus is in 9th house, may create some health related issues, especially skin related disease are there, or some type of arguments between you and your spouse will create some problem in your personal life. Stay positive, stay cool and do your best, but some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are importer exporter, you may get some big order from foreign land, or some foreign money will make you happy. Some foreign transactions make you happy. Some foreign monies make you happy during this time. 4th Jan 2021 to 28th of Jan 2021, you will be top in the terms of professional life because your 7th Lord and 2nd Lord transit in your 9th house. Your family will support you. You will spend very good time with your family and friends during this transit. Venus is in 9th house. Venus is not your ruling planet, but being a 2nd and 7th Lord placed in your transit in your 9th house, your old love will come back in your life. If you are a youngster, you are unmarried, your old loved will come back, and there is a strong chances you may meet someone if you are unmarried because 7th Lord transit in Bhagya house, 9th house. You will definitely get a lot of good advantage, but you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse, give some respect and honor, try to give some gift as a token to your wife or husband. You will definitely feel much relaxed. Overall, Aries, this is a time when you will be blessed with some foreign transaction or some foreign friends will make you happy, and you may start something new with your foreign friends. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants, your Ascendants Lord, Venus, which is going to transit in Sagittarius sign from 4th of Jan 2021 to 28th of Jan. This is the first transit of 2021 and it is going to transit in your 8th house. 8th house is not very well placement. Lagan Lord is in 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful at your workplace. You need to be careful while dealing with anyone. There is a strong chances you may get cheated from someone. Don't show your trust on stranger. If you are willing for go any long distance journey, then this is the right time. From 4th Jan to 28th of Jan 2021, there is a strong chances you will definitely go for some long journey which will make you happy. But in the terms of your professional life, you will have lot of headache on your head. You can say you will get lot of responsibilities from your workplace because Venus is in your 8th house. Aspecting is on your 2nd house. Your savings will rise. There is no doubt. Your family will support you. There is no doubt. Your language will, create some magic. You spoke very politely with everyone. But the thing is that 8th house transit is not very productive. So you need to be careful while trusting on anyone. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't give your money to anyone during this transit. From 4th Jan 2021 to 28th of Jan 2021, your money never get back if you give your money to anyone. Don't invest your money anywhere. From 4th Jan to 28th of Jan. This is not very well time. You need to do your best at your workplace. Then you will get 80-90% promising result because Jupiter Saturn is in your 9th house, which is very good transit for you. So 4th Jan to 28th Jan, if you put your 100% best at your workplace, you will definitely get very fruitful results. Otherwise, you will face a lot of struggle, hurdles. Your seniors are not satisfied from you. But if you put your efforts at your workplace, you will definitely achieve something at the end of the January 2021. Overall, this year 2021 is very promising for you, Taurus. You just face this 25 days or 24 days from 4th Jan to 28th Jan. It is a little bit struggling, but overall you will enjoy a lot of comforts, lot of good time with your family and friends. You will be sky high at your professional life. First quarter of 2021 will be ultimate, but this Venus transit in 8th house is not very productive, and after 28 Jan, when Venus enter in your 9th house, you will be top and sky high. Your old desires will be fulfilled. Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, Saturn transit in your 9th house. Your 9th house received very good energies from all planets. So just do your wonders at your workplace during 4 Jan to 28 Jan 2021. You will definitely steal the show after your hard work, after your great passion and your focus on your work. Your work need your focus. Your work need your attention. Your work need your best at your workplace. And if you are going to deliver your best, you will definitely rock. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants for you, Venus started transit in your 7th house from 4th Jan 2021 to 28 Jan 2021. 7th house, Venus is very comfortable here, but Venus is not comfortable in Sagittarius sign. But transit in 7th house, you will blessed with a very good relationship with your spouse if you are married. Your love life will be excellent. If you are in an affair, if you are in any type of living relationship of love affair, your lover will give you lot of support. You may start something new during this transit because Venus is in 7th house, Mars is in your 11th house in the month of Jan 2021. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn a lot of money from multiple source of earning. Your earning will rise. This Venus transit, because Venus is your ruling planet, you will blessed with a good profit from stock market if you are already investing your money in stock market. Gemini, you need to perform your best because Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house, which is not very promising. Talk politely with your parents. Take some blessings from your father's side or grandfather's side. Give some respect and honor to your father. If you give some respect and honor to your father, you will definitely achieve a lot of things in this struggling year. But Venus will give you some small profit from stock market. If you are entertainment industry, if you are linked from any sportsman, you are sportsman, you will definitely sign a new deal. Gemini, you need to perform your best. You will definitely rock because Venus is in 7th house, will improve your daily source of earning. Your spouse will help you. Your love life will be better. You will enjoy a lot of comfort and quality time with your loved one. And Mars is also in your 11th house. You will get money in the month of Jan 2021, that is for sure. You will sign new documents. If you are artist, if you are TV artist or you are actor in Bollywood or Hollywood, you will definitely sign something related to your source of earning will develop. You will sign some new deals. You will sign some new ad or new episode. There is something store which will make you happy because Venus is a well transit in your 7th house. In Kalpurush Kundli, Venus is very happy when Venus transit in 2nd and 7th house. So you will get a lot of good gains. You feel much relaxed and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. You just need to perform your best. Hard work play a big role. What I believe, if you have these 3 things in your life, if you have these 3 combo in your life, hard work, believe on yourself, and good luck. If you have these 3 things in your life, you will definitely rock in your worst phase of your life. So Gemini, believe on yourself, just do your hard work, you will definitely steal the show. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, Venus is going to transit in your 6th house from your Ascendants. You need to be careful while start anything new related to business. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while talking with your loved one. You need to be careful while signing any document. Don't show your trust on anyone. Try to do your best at your workplace because your seniors are not satisfied. There is a strong chances you may lose your job. Or if you are trying to switch off your job, then this is not a right time. Don't try to switch off your job. Do whatever you are doing. From 4th Jan to 28 Jan 2021, Venus transit in your 6th house is not very fruitful for you. You need to be careful about your health. Some stomach related trouble, some backbone related trouble, some skin related problem will arise. You are not in a safe zone, Cancer, related to your health. Cancer, you need to perform your best and take care of your health. Must go for blood test and urine test from 4th Jan to 28th of Jan 2021. Try to stop eating oily food or junk food or market food. Take care of your health. Take care of your loved one health. Don't argue with your loved one. Don't create any panic situation in your love life. Just showing your trust on your loved one. Follow these guidelines. You will definitely enjoy these 24 days. Otherwise, you will getting confused and upset. But by the grace of God, Jupiter Saturn aspecting is on your first house. Jupiter aspect is on your first house. Give you very, very positivity, and you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Venus is not very ruling planet for you, but overall you will get very good results if you follow all these guidelines. Always do your best at your workplace and take care of your health. Then you feel much relaxed and comfort. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. You're feeling very low and down. You're not feeling happy. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Leo Ascendant, Venus transit in your 5th house. You will blessed with some smart money. Some unexpected money will knock you. If you are investing your money in stock market, you will get a lot of profits. If you are going to invest your money in stock market, then this is the right time. Leo, your loved one will be a biggest supporter for you from 4th Jan to 28th of Jan. Your spouse and your loved one will be a biggest supporter for you. You will get a lot of advantage from your spouse side. You will get a lot of advantage from your in-laws. You will get a lot of blessings from your in-laws. Leo, this time when your mud will turn in gold. Mars is in your 9th house, Venus is in your 5th house, create a 5-9 yoke from each other. This is a wonderful combination. You will blessed with a lot of success. Leo, you need to put your efforts at your workplace and try to do something new. If you are artist, if you are any type of media man, if you are journalist, you will get blessed with a lot of success. You will sign new deals. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your source of earning will rise. Your love life will be on the track. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. Leo, you just need to perform your best and try to make balance between your professional life and your love life. Blessings of your father will make your way easy. When you start your day, must take blessings from your father's side. Try to touch feet of your father or grandfather. You will definitely rock. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Virgo Ascendant, Venus is very beneficiary and ruling planet for you. Transit in your 4th house. You will be top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. There is a strong chances you will start something new. You will get money from multiple sources of earning. Your earning will rise. If you are unemployed, you may get job. You will get a lot of promotion at your workplace automatically. Mouth-to-mouth publicity will make you happy. Venus transit in your 4th house will give you bundles of gains, peace of mind, good atmosphere at your home, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Your family will support you, your spouse will support you, your mother will support you. And blessings of your mother and will make your life easy. And if you give respect to your spouse, if you give respect and honor to your spouse, you will definitely achieve lot of good things. Virgo, you need to perform your best. Year 2021 will never come back in your life because Jupiter is in your 5th house. This whole year you will blessed with a lot of good things. You will feel very positive energy because Jupiter 9th aspect is on your 1st house. You will get a lot of money. You will get name, fame, prosperity, and Venus transit in your 4th house will bring a lot of good fortune for you. But you need to perform your best. Don't get confused. Don't delay your things. Just perform everything on the right time. If you do all these things, you will definitely achieve. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants being your first lord, your Ascendants lord, Venus transit in your 3rd house in Upchaya Bhav. First of all, you will get some good news through communication. You will get some good news from phone call, will make you happy, or some email will make you happy. Start of the 2021 is very promising for you. Good fortune is in your favor. Your Ascendants lord transit in your 3rd house and aspecting is on your 9th house. Good fortune is in favor. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If your work is not going good, now from 4th Jan to 28th of Jan 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy a lot of money at your workplace. Your siblings will help you. Your younger siblings will support you. You will enjoy a lot of benefits and comforts. Try to perform your best, do your best, focus on your things. This year, if you live your life in a discipline, if you are honest man, you will definitely rock. You need to perform your best. I'm telling you again and again. Don't look here and there, just look straight and perform your best with honesty and hard work. Your hard work convert in sweet success in the end of 2021. And in the month of Jan 2021, Venus transit in your third house, aspecting is on your ninth house. Some foreign deals will make you happy. Some unexpected gains are there. You will get a lot of good moments with your siblings. Your family, your friends will support you. You will enjoy all around success. Libra, you need to perform your best because Saturn is in fourth house from your ascendants. Saturn says you something. Do your best at your workplace. I am there for you. Give you a lot of blessings. If you want to take blessing from Saturn side, you need to perform your best because Saturn blessings are very powerful. Libra, just do your best at your workplace. From 4th Jan to 28th of Jan, you will be blessed with a lot of profits, lot of money, lot of good fortune. And relationship with your siblings will be ultimate. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendant. Scorpio Venus enter in your second house. Being your 7th and 12th Lord transit in second house. Your finances will be ultimate. You will feel much relaxed and better. You will enjoy a lot of money. Some unexpected money will make you happy. And some new partnerships, you may get new opportunities for new partnerships. This is a time when your good fortune is in your favor. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and benefits. Scorpio, you just need to give some respect to your loved one. You need to give some respect to your spouse. Be humble, be polite while talking with your spouse. Don't show your arrogance. Mars is in your 6th house, Venus is in your 2nd house and create 5-9 yoke from each other. Your Lagan Lord and your 7th Lord create a 5-9 yoke from each other. You will bless with a smart money. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Your family will support you. Your elders will give you a lot of blessings during this transit. If you are unmarried, you may meet someone and your relationship turn in marriage life. Your relationship will turn in long-lasting relationship. 4th Jan to 28th Jan, you will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comfort, peace of mind, good health, and a lot of entertaining moment you will spend with your family and friend. I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendant, Venus transit in your first house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse. You need to stay positive in this relationship. And if you're trying to switch off your job, this is not a right time. From 4th Jan 2021 to 28th Jan 2021, don't try to switch off your job. Try to perform your best at your workplace. Otherwise, your seniors are not happy and satisfied from your performance. Your work needs more attention and more hard work from your side. You need to perform your best. Sagittarius, this is a bit struggling transit for you, but is in first house. You will definitely blessed with your loved life and your spouse will help you. Your love life will be excellent. You will enjoy a lot of comfort. You may spend your money on luxury. Don't try to spend your money, overspend money on your luxury. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, for you, Venus transit in your 12th house. You will enjoy a lot of good moments with your spouse. You will spend a lot of money on luxury. You may buy some branded clothes during this time or perfumes, or you may spend your money on your household things. You will enjoy quality time with your spouse. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money from there. Capricorn, you need to perform your best in your personal life. This is a wonderful transit for you. 12th house, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, benefits, and good luck is in your favor. If you perform your best, you will definitely rock and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. So let's talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, Venus transit in your 11th house. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of money. Some unexpected money will make you happy. If you are investing your money in stock market, you will get a lot of profits. Venus is a very beneficial planet for you, ruling planet for your ascendants, in transit in your 11th house. From 4th Jan to 28th of Jan 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your source of funding will develop. But some unexpected expenditures are there because Jupiter Saturn is in 12th house. You need to be careful while spending your money. Don't give your money to anyone. But you will earn a lot of money, there is no doubt. This transit from 4th Jan to 28th of Jan 2021, you will get lot of good results. You will get, in the terms of money, you will get unexpected money, and your work will be ultimate. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are not working anywhere, you will start work. Try to find your work. If you are a businessman and your business are not going to give you profit, you will get very good results in your business. Your elder siblings will support you. You will get a lot of good contacts with higher authority. Venus transit in 11th house, your dreams and desires will be fulfilled if you have a Venus Mahadasha. If you have a Venus Antara in your birth chart, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Lot of success is stored in this transit from 4th Jan to 28th of Jan. If you want to start something new, this is the right time. But you just need to take blessings of your elder brother or sister. You will definitely rock. 11th house is a house of your fulfillment of wishes and desires. And if Venus or if any planet transit in 11th house and that planet has a Mahadasha active in your natal birth chart, you will definitely bless with a lot of money. You will definitely bless with a lot of name, fame, prosperity, success are there. So Aquarius, you need to cash this transit with your hard work, with your passion. Be passionate about your work. Perform best at your workplace. You will definitely achieve big things. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendant Venus transit in your 10th house. You will get a lot of finance from your workplace. Your work will promote automatically. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a good health. You will enjoy a very good relation with your father. If you are a businessman, you will earn a lot of money. You will earn name, fame, prosperity. Aquarius, this time, your good fortune is in favor and you will enjoy a lot of comforts and benefit. You need to perform your best. If you start something new, you will get fantastic results. Sorry, Pisces, if you start something new, you will get fantastic results. Pisces, this Venus transit in your 10th house will bring a lot of business opportunities. Jupiter Saturn is already transit in 11th house. Your money matters will be far better. You will earn a lot of money. Unemployed people may get job from 4th Jan to 28th Jan. Good fortune is in your favor. You just need to perform your best. This whole month, 4th Jan to 28th of Jan, you will enjoy all around success if you are trying to perform your best. Pisces, Jupiter Saturn is in 11th, Venus is in your 10th house, will give you a lot of business opportunities. You just need to do your best and perform best. You will definitely rock and sky high. Thank you for watching my video. And I'm praying for you a happy 2021 and happy new year. Take care. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.